For a generation of alienated techies, crypto's all-for-one ethos was its biggest draw. Now panic is spreading across the universe. That same ethos is now posing what may be the biggest threat yet to its survival. Well, joining us now is Emily Nicole from our crypto team and one of the authors of The Big Take. Emily, great reporting as always. So tell us more about this piece. What did you actually explore?
So in this piece, we took a look at why this crypto bear market, or as it's known to people within the industry, winter, is slightly different to those that have come before. The last one we saw lasted about 2 years, between 2018 and early 2020, and we're definitely firmly in that winter's territory now with the way crypto prices are forming. But there are a lot of things different this time compared to last time, and so that's really what we wanted to take a look at.
So why is it important to think about what's different in crypto, Emily, during this route?
So what's different this time will eventually basically let us preempt kind of how crypto might look when it comes out the other side. The things that we looked at specifically are things that are intrinsic to crypto. So one of the biggest things that crypto is heavily reliant on is an industry of leverage. A lot of traders will up their bets using leverage, making riskier plays, but that also causes contagion across the sector because a lot of these loans that people will take out, they use crypto assets to back them, and then when those crypto prices go down, those loans are no longer collateralized, they get liquidated, and it's usually more than one asset that you use, so it happens across the entire market all at once. There are a lot of different things, though, this time around that might help the crypto market for this winter. One of them being that they are now mostly backed by venture capital funding, or more frequently backed that way, rather than using their own tokens or Ethereum. And that means that they actually have real cash that they can rely on during a downturn, rather than just, being at the whim of the crypto markets itself.
So what might crypto look like, Emily, on the other side of this bear market?
Well, we definitely know that companies are going to be a lot slimmer. We've had quite a few crypto companies say they're going to cut staff this year. There was a lot of a trend of, crypto companies making headlines because they were splashing that cash with abandon. You had them sign sponsorships with Matt Damon and Tom Brady, and even Cristiano Ronaldo. Binance signed him last week. So some of that kind of outward spending is going to tone down. Staff are going to get laid off. And the people that we spoke to, particularly actually those in VC, said that this is really going to be a bit of a seismic change in which companies have strong business models and which don't.